Today, I've got an exclusive deal for you on Bluehost, one of the top web hosting providers out there. Right now, you can get a special discount simply by clicking the link in the description or the first pinned comment. This link will automatically apply the latest Bluehost coupon code for you, so you don't miss out on this limited time offer. Once you click, you'll see the available Bluehost plans. The most affordable option is the basic plan, perfect if you're just starting out and need hosting for a single website. However, if you're looking to run multiple sites, the Choice Plus plan might be the better option, allowing you to host up to 3 websites. Simply choose the plan that suits you best, proceed to purchase, and start building your online presence. And here's the best part, Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not fully satisfied, you can get a complete refund within the first month. Now, why Bluehost? Well, it's one of the most popular hosting providers for a reason. Known for its affordability, solid performance, and ease of use, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress and provides an impressive 99.98% uptime, ensuring your site stays online and accessible. Another feature Bluehost offers is one-click WordPress installation, which makes setting up your website super easy. Plus, they provide a helpful checklist to guide you through site navigation, design customization, and more. One of the standout aspects of Bluehost is its customer support. Available 24/7, you can reach them by phone, email, or live chat. Their team is always ready to assist, making it one of the best customer service experiences in web hosting. So, don't miss this opportunity. Just click the link in the description or the first pinned comment below to claim your discount. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more updates like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.